today we're doing another gmod video, and today we're actually battling some terraria bosses, which are extremely complex compared to the actual game. Right now we're gonna be battling in the mystery shack, and I'm gonna be carrying a minigun the whole way through. This has actually gotten me a little nervous. We've got the Destroyer, Dungeon Guardian, never works. Eater of Worlds, I have Chutlu, Skeletron, and the Twins. I battled Skeletron earlier, you know. Destroyers, basically, you just need like mechanical worm or something. Twins, mechanical eye. Skeletron Prime, you need mechanical skull. Lapus just need a suspicious looking egg, something like that. So, what do you think we should do first? Let's work our way up right here. Oh my god. Too easy. Too easy, people. Let's see the twins. They're eating a lot more deadly than I took them. There's the other guy. Come on. Come on. Where'd he go? Oh my god. The twins are dead. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna work our way up. Destroyer's gonna be the hardest to do either one. I don't know how long my computer can hold this up. Or my minigun. What was that? Hang on, I'm going to retry to see what just happened earlier. I'm lagging pretty bad right now. I already got the minigun. Oh my god, there's very southern eastern of the world. Oh my god. Ah, come on. Oh my god! We're not gonna do Dungeon Guardian because I know you can never kill those. You just need to be super agile. You need to be super swift just to defeat the Dungeon Guardians. Hang on, I'm going to see what the consequences are. Oh, that was a Dungeon Guardian. They just one-shot kill you, that's all. Let's do Skeletron. I mean, yeah, some people have like a fighting strategy, so just like... attack the arms first, and then the head. They make that a lot easier. It's cool that I'm battling this in a mystery shack too, from Gravity Falls. Good thing we're continuing. We're Megadian here. Where's the bring the tooth glue if you need it? Out of there. So where does the tool gun go like that? Come on. I just need some ammo so I can reload. SMGs would work too! Pulse rifle. Oh god! I would be gone for the rest of eternity with that mouse. There, he really has there. Oh my god, come on, there. Last time I fought this guy, he got stuck inside the shack. Oh my god. I killed him. I bested him in combat. Oh god. Destroyer will be next. Destroyer will be next. Now we just need to prepare. We could probably have some things on our side. Some Rick allies, maybe? I think it's going to work. You should be golden. I don't know how long my computer can hold this guy. Like, nobody's ever defeated the Destroyer before. Look at this lag. You need to unlock the vending machine to access this area. What about a karaoke machine? How can nobody beat the Destroyer? It's basically just a hard mode boss. I win. Alright, let's see how if we can best the dungeon guardian. That was a close turf though. I didn't want to spawn him already. God. Bro. Oh God. Let's be ready this time. Let's get far. I didn't get the minigun yet. Well, other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.